This video tutorial will demonstrate how to modify various elements of a Scrum workflow and view Burndown charts in Empire Suite. First, log into your account. Go to the Project main menu. To view specific project activities for a specific project, select the Activity submenu on the left-hand side. Users will now see the updated Scrum Preview dashboard to see various stages of workflow for that specific project activity. Users can sort Scrum activities using the Sort drop-down menu, view different types of activities, select Workflow View Type, and Sprint View Type. Users can also choose the number of activities they can see using the slider on the right. On the left, users can select List View, Detail View, or Scrum Board View. The current Scrum Board view shows activity in the backlog. The backlog is a storage container for any idea activity that users or team members want to work on. As various steps of the activity are completed, users can drag and drop the activity to different steps so that they can keep track of its progress. If you want to move the current activity to a new sprint, select the Sprint main menu on the left-hand side. Drag the current activity subject on the Scrum board over to the circle icon next to the sprint name. Select the Sprint view to see the newly assigned sprint activity under the corresponding sprint. To complete an activity, select the Activity menu with the appropriate submenus. Users can edit the activity, email the activity creator, add a comment to the activity, attach a document to activity, complete the activity, cancel it, forward it, attach time to an activity, or attach a time amount to the activity. To complete an activity, select the option from the Complete Activity menu. Enter the appropriate information. Enter the number of hours to add to your timesheet. Users have the option to select Add the activity comment to your daily timesheet comment or reassign to the project manager for review. Click Complete to complete this activity. To edit activity details, click on the activity link and edit the information accordingly. Users can also edit the remaining time needed to complete the specific activity. The updated time change will be posted on the timesheet accordingly. Sometimes users want to change the sequence of steps in a particular workflow. Reordering workflow steps is easy. Simply click the arrow icon pointing to the right next to the name of each step to switch it to the next stage in the workflow. Click the arrow icon pointing to the left to revert back to the original step placement. Users can use the breadcrumb navigation trail to keep track of their Scrum workflow steps. This will reveal the activity details, where the Scrum workflow steps are shown in breadcrumb navigation at the top. Users can modify the sequence of the steps in the workflow by clicking on specific breadcrumbs to move the step to a different place in the workflow. Users can modify the sequence of steps in the workflow by clicking on specific breadcrumbs to move the step to a different place in the workflow. The Scrum dashboard updates to show the step sequence change. The Burndown chart shows the remaining estimated time to complete an activity. It's based off the time estimates users entered when they first create a project activity. This concludes the tutorial on how to modify various elements of a Scrum workflow and view Burndown charts in Empire Suite.